Hello everyone, welcome to Unify study. Although in computer science other subjects you are used to, but in software engineering you are getting stuck when you are preparing for UGC NET or SET exam. And in this video I am going to explain all these UGC NET PYQs from SDLC models. Nowadays current pattern, recent pattern from where they are asking question. With the question you will learn all the concept and all types of SDLC model. So stay tuned with me till the end. And if you are new to this channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get latest update, notification and learn in crisp way and prepare yourself for UGC NET Computer Science and all other exam of Computer Science. Here the first question you can see the typical activities for software life cycle. Read the question, try to think. After that I am going to explain you. This is the question of August 2024 UGC NET. Yes. Your answer is option 3. Why option 3? Because in SDLC, first of all, you are doing brainstorming with the client. Means what is your expectation, how you are going to build it, what are the feature you want to understand. That's why with customer, you need to do means the developers requirement analysis is requirement. For that, the brainstorming interview is required. And after that, requirement analysis and plan. Then design the architecture, coding and implementation, then testing and quality assurance, finally development and then maintenance and feedback. This is the process. That's why you are getting answer here. First one is requirement analysis, then system design, then finally deployment. These are the typical, but this one code refactoring, it is not coming under SDLC. Substructure is also not coming under SDLC because refactoring is doing after doing any software, means you have done a software previously, now you have to do refactor, means some problem is there, that is happening. It is not the part of SDLC. So A, B, D is the correct answer. Now you can see in prototype model, very popular model, prototype model. From here they ask the sequence. From this concept only you can do the question. This is the question of December 2023 UGC NET. Do it. Yes, your answer is C, B, D, A, E. This is the answer. Why? Because first you have to do the requirement, then after that quick design. Here you will be confused that why quick design, after that implementation, then customer evaluation, then final design. Why it is? You are getting confused here. Why E is the last? Why it is happening? Because it is prototype. When we are doing prototype, when customer requirement is not clear, customer is not able to say what they want exactly. You are gathering the basic requirement. After that you are taking quick decision and you are showing a dummy model, that is called prototype model, to the customer. Then customer is checking that, customer will evaluate that prototype model. This is the quick design after evaluating, and here you are building the prototype, refining the requirement, incorporate the suggestion, taking the suggestion from the customer. After that it is accepted by the customer, means prototype will be accepted by the customer, then final design, implementation, testing and maintenance will be done. That's why this design is coming at the last. This is the reason design is coming at the last. Quick design is happening here. So customer, first of all you are getting requirement, then quick design, then implement. Implement means this is implement prototype. It is prototype implement. Then after that you are finally doing the design. Then after design you will come to this final implementation, testing and maintenance. This is called prototype model. Here the next question is from spiral model. Read the question, try to solve. Here the question is from December 2024, that is last exam they asked this question, from spiral model. Yes, your answer is here. Always remember spiral model, risk driven model. This is the main keyword of spiral model. It is always focusing on the risk. Risk analysis is the main keyword. Spiral model is acyclic balancing approach, and acyclic balancing approach, why it is acyclic balancing, I am coming here. You can see that this is risk analysis in every phase. It is the combination of waterfall model and prototype model together. You are each and every one, it is coming to start from here. After that, in this risk analysis, then prototype, then after that again requirement validation, development plan, again going to this cycle. That's why it is called spiral model. That's why you can see here answer which of the following is regarding spiral model. So definitely it is a risk driven model. With the option B you can do the answer. Here it is spiral model, and spiral model is a cyclic balancing approach. It is wrong. That's why option C is wrong. Spiral model involves set of anchor point in milestone. This is correct. Why it is correct? Here come to this. Here it is risk driven model. It is correct. It is approach while the spiral model is iterative and involve the revisiting phases, because you are coming back again. You are revisiting again means it is making a cycle. It is not acyclic. Not described as acyclic balancing approach. That's why option C is wrong. And it is anchor point milestone. Why it is anchor point milestone? Because while which one is the checkpoint assess progress, ensure that projects stay in track. Each and every time you are doing the checkpoint. Here intermediate checkpoints are there to keep the project moving in right direction. That's why the option B and D is the correct answer from the spiral model. Now the next question is December 2023 question, again from spiral model. You can see the question, read it and do the answer. Yes, very good. B and D is the correct answer, because when you are going the spiral model, requirement easily understandable, definitely no. Requirement is not clear, then only you are going with spiral model, because it is the combination of prototype. I told requirement is not clear. Here requirement can quite often it can change, and can define the requirement in the early stage. No, requirement indicating complex and to be built. That's why risk analysis is there. So B and D is the correct answer. From the question itself, write down this point. It is the best way to prepare notes. You will ask me for PDF. I know that PDF I will upload in our app, Unify Study app. Please stay tuned. I will give you the description. Unify Study app, install there and you will get the PDF. Now you see incremental model. This is the question of December 2022 which held on 15th March. Incremental model. What is incremental model? And the question is from this. Yes, you can see good approach when working core product required quickly. It is the keyword of incremental model. The incremental model of software engineering breaks down the development into smaller and manageable module, because most high priority task it will deliver quickly. This is the build one. It is dividing the total project into different build. Build one will do the high priority task quickly. After that build 2, then build n, like that. So many builds will be there. That's why it is called incremental model, which can incrementally improve working the software version early. The approach allows the creation of working process. When quickly you have to deliver the high priority work, then just high priority work, deliver it, after that go for next. That is incremental model. Now RAD model. What is RAD model? What is the full form of RAD model? This is the question of UGC NET 2022. Yes, RAD model is rapid application development. What is RAD? RAD is rapid application development. When it is useful, when the big project you have to deliver in short period of time. This is the keyword. Target of developing the big project in short period of time, then you are going with RAD model. RAD model is basically dividing the total project into some independent modules. Independent, it should be independent, then only you can do it, otherwise you can't. Independent model, so that parallelly it can do. Normally if you are doing sequentially, maybe it will take 1 year. Now this 1 year project you have to complete in 3 months. What you will do? You will divide the project into 4 parts, and parallelly 4 team member will work. 4 different team member means there are different team. 4 team will work parallelly so that this can be done in 3 months, and always the target is within 60 to 90 days. So this is the main concept behind the RAD model. When you are going to deliver a big project within short period of time, this is the keyword of RAD model, and that's why you are getting this answer. And you can do here waterfall model, incremental model, prototype model and RAD model. You need to do the matching. This is UGC NET June 2019 question. Do the matching. You will be easily able to do now. Yes, very good. Here your answer is this one, because easily you can understand that here this is RAD model. Here you can see the supermarket to developed within 3 months. As I told, big project you are going to deliver within 60 to 90 days. So D will be with 2. With this one you can do the answer. Here is D with 2. And prototype, virtual reality is the keyword for prototype. You can see here this is virtual reality. This is the keyword here. And here you can see that incremental model. Incremental model is which one? Incremental model you can see start only the basic functionalities. Only the basic, then go for advanced feature. That is incremental model. So these are the keywords. Remember the keywords, you will be easily able to identify all the models. Now you can see which one is not a software model. Yes, glass box testing is not a software model. Time box testing, testing not, it is actually time boxing model is there, iterative and prototype. Glass boxing is not. Here, do this one. Yes, called the classical model, very basic question, waterfall model. Very good. Here you can see, do this one. Quickly, these are very quick question. I added. Yes. When product is retired, then only spiral will stop. Most of you will do mistake here. Risk analysis completed? No. After completion of 5 loops? No. When the software will retire, then only you are going with this. Then this is a quick question for you. Yes, the answer is evolutionary model. Evolutionary model. Why? What is evolutionary model? When the requirement is not clear, you will be confused that when the requirement is not clear, then we can go for prototype model. But the prototype model is not there. Evolutionary model is one type of prototype model, and actually it is the combination of iterative and incremental model. Initial requirement and architecture is here, model development cycle into the smaller phase, and that's why here you are getting the planning the stage of the next cycle. It is dividing the project into, here you can see the another question, category wise. Yes, this is also evolutionary model, because remember this keyword from the evolutionary model, 2 questions you got. Category wise you are dividing it, and here you can see that when it is not clear, that is evolutionary model. Next one you can see here, this is dash model preferred when requirement is not clear. That is just now we have done. That's why it is answer is this one. Now come to the Agile software. Very much important question. 2018 December they asked this question. Yes. Which one not? Not is very important in your question. Not and principle of Agile software. For Agile, definitely not following any plan. Why? Because Agile is focusing, Agile is the main nowadays mostly useful model, Agile. So Agile is very flexible, where they are not focusing on documentation at all. You are not at all bothered about documentation, or maybe requirement gathering. Complete requirement is not done. You are starting with the basic one and dividing the project into small sprint. You are going to release the each and every one within few weeks. Mostly within 3 weeks there will be one delivery, and customer will be involved throughout the process, so that always you can keep on checking with the customer. You are taking the feedback from the customer. And these are the main keywords of Agile philosophy. Customer involvement is the main principle, then incremental delivery, people not process. It is not bother about too much process following, rather than team members are very flexibly able to work here. Embrace changes means any time any change can be happen. Customer can do any change and it will be satisfied by the Agile philosophy. And maintain simplicity. Simplicity is the best art. It is following this methodology. That's why Agile is very popular nowadays. So that's why your last answer is it is not following any plan. Other than that, these are correct. Sorry. Now the next question you can see here. Which of the following is Agile process model? Popular models and Agile. You can do it using elimination also. Yes, definitely spiral model is not Agile model. Incremental model is not Agile model. Waterfall model is also not. This one and this one are the Agile model. Here are the list of Agile model. You can see Scrum, Kanban, XP, FDD and dynamic system. These all are the Agile model nowadays. It is using in all industries. Now you can see here what are the phases of Agile model. This is August 2024 question. Easily you can do it. Yes, definitely. Here also we are starting with planning, then design, then after the design development will be done, then you are going for testing, then finally release. Same plan it will follow, same thing, but it is dividing in iteration. Every iteration it is going to customer, taking the feedback, then again going to customer, taking the feedback, like that it is going on. Other than that, life cycle is same. Here you can see the main concept of Agile framework. All the main concept, you can go through it, you can take the screenshot. And now the next question from again Agile, December 2022. Create Agile process to manage unpredictability. Yes, here your answer is option C, because deliver in short time of period. Whenever you are delivering, you are taking feedback from customer. That's why unpredictability will be not there. If you are doing a big task, after that you are going to customer, then definitely maybe customer will reject it. But as every time you are keep in touch with the customer, that's why in short period of time you can get the feedback and there will be no unpredictable thing. So option C is the correct answer. Here it is the quick revision chart for you for waterfall model, prototype model, incremental and iterative model, spiral and Agile model. This will be very much useful for your exam perspective. Now here the next question from feature driven model. Now it is very popular model, feature driven model. What is feature driven model and which one is correct according to this, and sequence, you have to do the correct sequence according to the feature driven model. Yes, here the answer is this one. Now I am coming to the concept, then I am telling you feature driven model means actually it is also one Agile framework, but it is focusing on feature. Total project will be divided feature wise. Feature wise it is dividing. So develop the overall model, then build the feature list, plan by feature, design by feature, build by feature. That's why you are getting here your answer, the sequence: develop overall model, then after that build the feature list, then plan by feature, then after that design by feature, then build by feature. Main concept of feature driven list is this one, and you are getting sequence from here. Now you can do the matching here, the Scrum, adaptive software development, extreme driven and feature driven. Yes, here with the keyword you can do it. Just now I told you feature driven model, you are dividing with the feature. So feature, it is actually here you can see action, the result, by, for, to, then this means by the feature, for the feature, of the feature. That is actually coming from here. Scrum is one model of Agile, and in the Scrum, each and every iteration, whatever you are dividing, means you are going to deliver, that is called sprint. Product backlog is divided into small sprint backlog, which is going to deliver within 3 weeks of time. So Scrum is the sprint backlog. Extreme driven development, XP, just now we have discussed. So it is related with CRC card. Adaptive software development is time box planning. It is following the time box. Adaptive and main adaptive is what? Anytime any changes it is going to adopt. That's why time boxing planning is there. In this time I am going to do this. After that, if any change is happening, then next time we will do this. That is the main concept of adaptive one. Here you can see one question from object behavioral model. From the question only you can learn the topic. Yes. Here your answer is this one. Evaluate all the use cases. This one and this one. This is not coming under object behavioral model. This is UGC NET 2020 question. Here another one is their object oriented system. How the design is going on. This is December 2023 question. Yes. What are the sequence? This is the sequence. You can see first create the use case, then activity diagram, then draw interaction diagram, then draw class diagram. After that it is coming here. That's why your sequence is this one. This is actually the question of design chapter. So your all the question is over. I hope within short time you get so many concepts. That's why we are following the strategy of less is more. You can download the PDF from Unify Study app. Install Unify Study app in your phone, or you can visit our website. You can go to the free course. You can come to the free course here. Under the free course you can go to the view content. Under the view content you can see the free PDF. Free YouTube classes. These PDFs are here. You can download the PDFs, whatever PDFs I am providing. And if you are interested for the paid course to do the detailed learning, then definitely you can go for this course. Now 1 month option also you can go. In this 1 month option, if you click on buy now, then apply super 20 coupon. Coupon code is super 20. By applying this within 1219, you are getting everything here, all the 10 unit in structured way, each and every concept with PYQs, with expected MCQ and expected test series you will get here. Live classes regularly 5 AM and 5 PM I am taking. So almost 3 hours classes, more than 3 hours also you are getting here, where we are practicing so many PYQs. We have already completed all the subject wise folder is there. As per your convenience you can watch the recording, because the course is started in the month of January. It is going to end in the month of June. But if you are taking now and if you want to cover, then you can cover, because all material you will be able to access within this 6-month course. Within 1 month you are paying it and you are able to access. If you are able to complete, it's yours. Everything is there. Just go for it and enjoy your full study. No need to go anywhere. Everything is there, which is covered by me. Almost 95% I have covered. Some of the topic done by other teacher. Mostly syllabus is covered by me only. So if you are interested, definitely go for it. It will be definitely helpful for you, because we are following less is more strategy, and this is our success. You can see our success. That is last year December 2024 for computer science toppers. These are the toppers, and more than 100 learners already cracked from Unify Study. So you can definitely go for it. Thank you. Bye. See you again in my next video.